DRMA is trying to perk again, but once again, like I said back here, remember when this broke 3 back here at 7, right when I went live? I said it was backside. It did roll right back over, and it's still backside. I mean, it's backside until it breaks highs. So, you know, careful chasing strength on backside moves, right? Meaning there's a local high higher than where it's currently trading. It's already made its like big pressure point move. Careful chasing pops after this, right? I watch a lot of beginners lose money that way. The moves already happened, like the big moves already happened. And then they want to buy like here, and then they want to buy like here. It's backside. You're not just going to get as much straight up momentum. And psychologically, why? Because your person that bought here, that is still holding, is selling this pop. Right? You have overhead bag holders, recent bag holders that are selling into the pops now. And it is, look at that. As I'm talking about it, it rolls from where I started at 310 down to 298. There you go. There's your real-time example of exactly what I'm talking about. I've been trading for 8 years, chat. I taught you something this morning. I taught you all about not chasing backside strength. The perfect example here, DRMA. It's the #1 mistake I see beginner traders make. Chasing strength after a move happened. Now, this might be the time it does go, but look. Doesn't go. Statistically, buying backside strength does not work. And I see beginners do it all the time. It's like the #1 trade that beginners take. Look at AMC's daily chart. This is always the example I go to, but because a stock went from 9 to 72, now every time it spikes, beginners go buy it. Rhino, thank you for the VIT. Every time it spikes, beginners go buy it. They're buying, they're buying here. They're buying here. They're buying here. They're buying here. And even more so, they're buying this little spike. They're buying this spike. Because, oh my God, it's going to go again. Look, it went. It's going to go again. Like, it's not. No, it's not. Now, never say never. There's no such thing as never in the stock market, right? But statistically, what is likely to happen, which is what you have to trade off of, once backside starts, MULN is another fantastic example. MULN made a huge move like a year ago, like a year and a half ago. MULN made a huge move. You still see anytime MULN makes a move, you still see beginner traders getting hype on it. And every single time, it's just rolled right back off because it's already made its move, right? These are backside spikes. Don't buy backside spikes. Is it too late to buy Tesla? In terms of what? I mean, no and yes. If you're going to buy Tesla and hold it for 10 years, you're not going to give a shit whether you bought it at 106 or 170. I mean, you might give some shit. But like when someone tells you when someone tells you that they've owned Apple for 10 years, you're not like, well, where'd you buy it at? You're like, oh my God, man, great investment. You're not like, what was 10 years ago, 2013? You're not like, dude, you bought it at 19 when you could have bought it at 14. What a bad buy, bro. No, like investing, like you don't need to worry super about timing the market on investing. Investing is just buying and holding solid companies. So like if you like Tesla, I'm not saying I like Tesla. I'm not saying you should buy Tesla. I'm not saying anything like that. But if you like it, you're not going to care in 10 years whether you bought it at 170 because it used to be 100. You're not going to care. I would sell it. That's why you don't make money in the stock market, my friend. Not to be mean, but of course you cannot sell here. Do not sell when your strategy doesn't tell you to. I don't care what happens. I don't care if this is the tippy top and Tesla tanks this candle and I get stopped out. Still does not mean I should sell here, right? You can't be breaking your rules. If you break your rules, you don't make money. His goal is 50 G's in this trade? Yes, that is my goal, yes. Now, I'll hold this stock all day. I would sell it, walk away a winner. Yep. Do you make money consistently in the stock market, got Bitcoin? Not to be mean, but I'm going to assume you don't. I'm going to assume you don't consistently make money in the stock market. And I'm not trying to be mean. If that comes off as mean, whatever. But the idea that you want to sell this just so you can walk away green is a very bad way to look at stocks. That's a very emotional way to trade. I just want to be green. I just want to be right. Like, you shouldn't. I don't give a flying fuck if I'm green or red today. I mean, I do give some, but you know, I care about if I'm green over time, and following your rules is what makes you green over time. Not selling just so you can be green today. Making money is bad when you trade? Yeah, well, this is a thing that beginners struggle with, and it's confusing to explain. Breaking your rules is bad, yes. Taking profit early is bad, yes. You'll never go broke taking a profit. Yes, you will. That's a terrible quote. If you're not getting what you're supposed to be getting out of your winners, you will go broke. Yes, you will. You have to make what you're supposed to make on your strategy on your winners. It is hard to explain that to beginner traders because, like Nick just said, making money is bad when you trade. Nick, do you make money trading? I'm going to assume you don't. That's a very basic thing you need to understand about the stock market that most beginners don't. That most beginners really struggle with. Most beginners are, oh my God, I'm green, sell. You have to get what you're supposed to get out of your winners. Mark this post. I said sell at 289. Okay, are you just dodging this whole conversation, got Bitcoin? Once again, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if 289 is the exact top today, it rolls over. You are not right to sell there. The market is not predicting the future. The market is statistics, right? And over time, I have proven with this strategy that holding Tesla is the way to make money with it, right? It is what I have proven, so it is what I needs to do. Like, it's what I need to do. It doesn't matter if I told you to sell here, then it rolled. Okay, great. It's not how trading works, man. Chat, respect your stop losses. Respect your stop losses. I lost, what did I lose? 220 bucks? SPY it's already down another 1.5, so I'd be down another like 250 bucks. Instead of losing $217, I'm now panic selling this red candle down 550. This is how you end up not making money over time, chat. Did this week suck? Yeah, this week sucked. This week was not fun. I respected my stop loss on every loss this week. I did not let any stop loss blow me like this. I did not go into my trade today like emotional because I've been red this week. Oh, I'm red this week, so I have to make money today. I can't sell. Tesla has to turn. I have to make money. No. Does it suck that I lost again? Yeah, it sucks. But respect your stop loss. Now, instead of losing the 220 bucks, you just panic sold $600. That's how you end up not making money over time, by letting your losers bleed like that. You guys got to see. I mean, if you guys were here every day this week, you got to see. This week was not fun. This was not a good week for me. But am I emotional? Am I breaking my rules because it wasn't fun? No. Respect the rules. Understand that the system has red weeks. You're going to have red weeks. Welcome to the stock market. Don't let them blow up to the point where they become like impossible to make back. Still very confident in this strategy. Still very confident that we will start getting trend days in Tesla again, which allow us to actually make money again,